I am Professor M.D. Patil from Padma Shri Dr. V.V. Kolte College of Engineering, Malkapur. In last lectures, I had covered the topic load combinations and design methods. I am going to continue. Let me see the design method. Three types of design methods. We can design in three ways by using the methods: working stress method, ultimate load method, and limit state method. Nowadays, we are going to use the limit state method. Working stress method is outdated method, but when we cannot design with the help of limit state method, we always used to design by working stress method. Example, water tank. Water tank, in some cases, we cannot design water tank by using the limit state method. In such manner, we can design with the help of working stress method. Working stress method, material assumed in a pure elastic. And in ultimate load method, load factor uses to find the ultimate load. And in limit state method is the combination of both, means working stress method and ultimate load method. Limit state method is the combination of working stress method and ultimate load method. In working stress method, material is the criteria. In ultimate load method, load is the criteria. And in limit state method, material and load is the criteria. Working stress method, we can design our member by using the factor of safety. And in limit state method, we can use the partial safety factors for material and loads separately. Let's see the working stress method. In our syllabus, working stress method is there for RCC 1 and for RCC 2, there will be the limit state method design. It is the traditional method, means it is the conventional method which is going to be used for last decades. Then second one, also used for the steel and timber. It can be also used for the timbers and steel also. In WSM, structural member behave in the linear elastic manner. So, permeable or allowable stress are kept well below the material strength. And this material strength can be easily determined in the laboratory by using the machines UTM and CTM, means universal testing machine and compaction testing machine. Then allowable stresses or permissible stresses can be calculated by using the yield or ultimate strength divided by factor of safety. See, in this statement, in WSM, means in working stress method, structural member behave in a linear elastic manner. So, permeable or allowable stresses are kept well below the material strength. Means if we are getting the material strength by using the universal testing machine, that is 100, then we can't take it as 100, we have to take below 100. Are you getting it? Yes. Then the formula for the allowable stress or permissible stress is yield or ultimate strength upon factor of safety. Then where we can take the yield strength and where we can take the ultimate strength, this can be determined. Yield strength, we can use yield strength for the ductile material, that is steel, and ultimate strength for brittle material, that is the concrete. Then according to the IS 456-2000, the factor of safety prescribed by the Indian Standard Codes, concrete 3 and for steel 1.78 for working stress. I hope you can get. Thank you.